This artwork has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up artworks that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. Thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 18 of building the legendary cyborg Robocop. This issue we're doing a little self-contained bit. We put away all the stuff from last time, the knee and the leg and ankle and foot. We're building the knee after looking a little bit longer at designing a Robocop. Yeah. Work. Yeah, there's lots of blood in Robocop. I do remember seeing a lot of that. So this is the left knee joint, which we're building the lower part of the knee joint, should we say. Obviously metal clips and springs and things to hold that together. And then we've got the knee, which we're not installed into that yet. And it doesn't look like that because we haven't been able to attach that yet. But you can see how it's going to go together. And obviously all of this is going to be duplicated over the other leg at some point. I don't know if we're going to finish this leg first and then go back to that. But we'll see. This is the last of this month's delivery. So I literally don't know what's coming next. The laws of robotics. Yeah, the Asimov's 3 laws. There we go. About hurting people through action and inaction, and yeah, when it if it doesn't affect the first 2 laws, sort of thing. Yep. Biometrics. Yes, interesting stuff. Ways of identifying you through features, faces, iris, fingerprints, face scanning, all that sort of thing. Even phones do things like that now. There you go. New technologies for identifying us. Read all about them. So let's get this out of the way and let's get this knee built. So, as I say, completely self-contained, so I have no other parts available on the bench. We are starting off with this bit, and we're putting the nut on the outside there, which is held captive by this little bracket, and 2 of these SP screws, S for small, P for plastic. So yeah, 2 of those. I shall put on my visor of seeing because otherwise I won't be able to see them at all. Let's grab a tiny screwdriver as well because they are pretty small screws. So we need one of those there. The bracket doesn't matter which way up it goes, just has to go in the right place. Hold that nut in place, at least until we're putting the screw in the other side of it, which will then hold it in place all on its own. Going in. Feels like it is. Although, no, because I can take that away and it doesn't. Am I having trouble with that? Am I not quite in the right place? But it feels like it's doing up, but it isn't. Might be just off to one side a little bit. Didn't think I was, but I might be. So let's try it in the other side. As long as you can get one of these lined up, then the other one shouldn't be any trouble. I've dropped the screw, haven't I? Not stuck to there anymore. Right, luckily they do give you a spare if I can't see this one in a minute. I can't see it anywhere. I can't even feel it anywhere. It's got to be somewhere, isn't it? Not already in one of them holes. Gaping on me. So let's try this again with the other side. Get that lined up. there. And it's moved because I dropped it. It's trying to escape again, but it's not going to be getting away with that. I'm not having that. That feels better. That's actually done a thing. So let's see. Is that screw anywhere? I mean, it's got to be somewhere, but it's obviously pinged wildly away. I can't feel it anywhere, so I shall use my spare SP screw and be especially careful not to lose that one. Don't recall having any other SP screws in there. There it is. I've just spotted it. It made it all the way over there. So let's try this one again. That one in place. There's only so many places that this one can go. I've got to get the distance right. I've just got to get the rotational angle right. And then we're done. The magnet on this screwdriver is not the best. See if I can use my own, or if I'm going to have to dig out smaller screw tip, screwdriver tip. Try that. It's in the right place now. It feels like that's getting in the right place. I think I'm at a slight angle though, so yeah, I need to make sure that goes in straight. Otherwise this is not going to fit where it needs to fit. There's obviously something going to happen on the outside of this, so yeah. There we go. At least that's the smallest bit dealt with. So that screw is now, the nut rather, is being held in place properly. So that's that bit. Next up, I have to put the spring and that piece into this piece. So the spring goes in first. That goes on with the teeth facing upwards. Just like, not pointing upwards. The prong of that has got to go between those two pieces. Turn that round. And that can go down and will act on the next bit that I've got to fit. This bit, we've got teeth on there as well. So that's going to go on there, on the same post. Like so. And we've got clicky joints on that. And then that needs to go onto there. Needs to go a bit further down than that. Be about it. Will do. Yep, that's that. So that goes together like that with two BP screws. 1 and 2. Use my normal screwdriver for these, I think. So which are the screw holes for that? That one down there. And the one in the middle. Up here. That goes in there like so. Tighten both of those down. And then we can get the last big long screw in through that side into the nut on the other side. And that is that. That's tightened down. We have a knee which should be tight. does move. Yeah, that's good. I like that. That's quite secure. It will free up in use, obviously, when there's, again, longer parts of the leg working on it as well. The more you use it, the easier it will become. Nice. I like it. So that is the leg, self-contained. The knee joint, rather, should we say. Let's pop that screw back in that packet so I know which one it is. I know I'm going to lose it. I've already... No, it is in the packet. There you go. Good. So that's that. I shall get these screws tidied away now because that's the end of another month's delivery. Let's just have a look with the leg that we've done so far. This is going to go on there. There, isn't it? We've got these posts that are going to hold things in place. It's got to be that way round, I should think. No, they're not lining up. Oh, it's that one and that one, not that one over there. Right, so it's that way round. Yeah, so that's held in place quite securely around this rim, and 2 points and screws holding that together. What's that going forward? That's an interesting shape. This is the left leg. No, his gun's on his right leg, isn't it? So he probably gets to do this one first because it's easier, and then we'll worry about messing about with the other one later. So there we have it. A foot and a lower leg, not nearly complete because we've only done the inside bit of it, but yeah, we're going to be able to attach the other side of that probably next time, I would assume, unless we're going to be doing the top part of the joint. But that's for another time because at the moment, that's that done. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you're enjoying the build. Do pop along to the Facebook group that you saw advertised at the beginning. Come along, say hello, and I'll see you for more Robocop very soon, but other part works in between. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye for now.